Even if you hit the gym 7 days a week and eat 100 grams of protein daily to grow your muscles, but you don't eat collagen-rich foods, you still won't build muscle, especially as you age. Health experts keep telling you the number one thing you need to build muscle is eating high-protein foods and hitting the gym. But that's not true. The number one thing you need to build muscle is not protein, it's collagen. But here's the shocking thing most seniors don't know. Even if you take collagen supplements, you still won't build muscle, because collagen supplements do not have gelatin present, like natural sources of collagen do. And most seniors make another mistake. They rely on beef bone broth. But beef bone broth will not give you enough collagen to actually build muscle. Why? Because seniors need at least 15 grams of collagen a day to build muscle. And one bowl of bone broth has way less than that. That is why, in this video, I will tell you 2 liquid collagen sources that have 8 times more collagen than bone broth. I'm starting with the second best source first, because it's easier to find. Then, I'll reveal the absolute best one, the one most people overlook. And stay with me until the end, because I will also tell you 3 foods you must never combine with collagen if you want to beat sarcopenia and build muscle after 60. Subscribe right away if you haven't already, because Inner Spark is here to keep your body strong and alive. Let us begin. Number 1. Fish skin broth. Fish skin broth contains an impressive 12 to 15 grams of collagen per cup. That's nearly double what most bone broths offer. This marine collagen is absorbed 1.5 times more efficiently than other types, making it incredibly effective for seniors fighting muscle loss. The collagen directly supports muscle fiber structure and helps maintain the connective tissues that hold your muscles together. But here's what most seniors don't know. Fish skin broth is packed with omega-3 fatty acids and selenium. These nutrients reduce inflammation in your muscles, allowing them to recover faster and grow stronger after exercise. The omega-3s also improve protein synthesis, which means your body can actually use the protein you eat more effectively. Recent research from Japan followed 120 seniors with sarcopenia for 6 months. Those who drank fish skin broth daily gained an average of 3.2 pounds of muscle mass, compared to just 0.8 pounds in the control group. The results were so impressive that researchers called it a natural muscle preservation therapy. Ancient Chinese medicine used fish skin broth for over 2,000 years to combat what they called muscle withering disease. Traditional healers understood that the ocean's collagen could restore strength to aging bodies, long before modern science proved them right. Making fish skin broth is simple. Simmer fish skins from salmon or cod in water for 2 to 3 hours with ginger and sea salt. The broth should gel when cooled. That's how you know it's collagen-rich. For maximum benefits, you can pair fish skin broth with meals. For breakfast, add it to scrambled eggs. At lunch, use it as a base for vegetable soup with lean chicken. For dinner, sip a warm cup alongside grilled salmon and sweet potatoes. But here's the truth. If you only drink fish skin broth, you still may not gain enough muscle. That's why you must also add this next collagen source. Number 2. chicken feet broth. Chicken feet broth delivers a massive 15 to 18 grams of collagen per cup. That's about 70% of its total protein content. This collagen is primarily type 1 and type 2, which directly rebuild muscle fibers and strengthen the cartilage around your joints. For seniors, this means stronger muscles and less joint pain during exercise. But here's what's shocking. Chicken feet broth also contains high levels of glucosamine and chondroitin, the same compounds found in expensive joint supplements. These nutrients reduce muscle inflammation and speed up recovery time, allowing you to build muscle faster than you ever thought possible at your age. A groundbreaking study from South Korea tracked 85 seniors for 4 months. Those who consumed chicken feet broth 3 times weekly increased their leg strength by 28% and reduced muscle soreness by 45%. The researchers concluded that the unique collagen profile made it superior to traditional protein supplements. Ancient Chinese medicine prescribed chicken feet soup for bone strength for over 3,000 years. They knew the feet contained the most potent muscle-building compounds in the entire chicken. To prepare chicken feet broth, simmer cleaned feet for 4 to 6 hours with onions and herbs. The broth should be thick and gelatinous when cooled. Here's the secret. When you combine fish skin broth with chicken feet broth, you get both marine and land-based collagen types. This creates a complete amino acid profile that your muscles can't get from any single source. The fish collagen absorbs quickly for immediate muscle repair. The chicken collagen provides long-lasting structural support. Together, they work like a tag team to rebuild your muscles from the inside out. But it would be useless to drink these collagen-rich foods if you pair them with the next 3 foods I'm about to reveal. The last one is so common, I'm sure you've eaten it this week, and when combined with collagen, it can even form poison in your body. Food to avoid number 1, white rice. White rice seems harmless, but it has a glycemic index of 73. That's higher than pure sugar. When you eat it with collagen-rich broths, the massive blood sugar spike interferes with your body's ability to absorb and utilize collagen proteins. Worse, white rice combined with the minerals in broths creates advanced glycation end products. These toxic compounds inflame your muscles and actually accelerate muscle breakdown. Never eat white rice within 2 hours of collagen intake if you care about preserving muscle. Food to avoid. Number 2, alcohol. Even 1 glass of wine with your collagen broth can stop muscle protein synthesis by 37%. Alcohol blocks your body's ability to process collagen, and it ruins the deep sleep window when muscle repair happens. Worse, alcohol mixed with the amino acids in collagen broths forms toxic aldehydes that damage muscle cells. If you're serious about building muscle, keep it alcohol-free at least 24 hours around recovery days. Food to avoid. Number 3, bacon. Yes, bacon. That smoky, salty flavor makes everything taste better. But it's one of the worst foods to pair with collagen broths. Bacon is loaded with sodium, nitrates, and preservatives. When combined with collagen, these compounds form nitrosamines, linked to muscle degeneration and even cancer risk. Processed meats inflame your body, block amino acid absorption, and poison your progress. Replace bacon with clean proteins like chicken, turkey, or fish with herbs. Now that you know the 3 dangerous foods sabotaging your collagen efforts, I have a question for you. Which of these toxic combinations have you been unknowingly consuming with your collagen broths? Drop a comment below and let me know. I read every single one, and I'm genuinely curious about your experiences. If you're serious about finally building the strong muscles you deserve at your age, Inner Spark has created something special for you. My 30-day muscle recovery meal plan contains over 50 high-protein meals and collagen-rich recipes, specifically designed to avoid these toxic food combinations. You'll also learn the exact timing strategies to maximize collagen absorption. You'll find the link in the pinned comment or in the description below. But here's something even more exciting. Tomorrow, I'm revealing a secret that will completely change how you think about building leg strength. Forget exercises. I'll show you 3 specific spots on your legs that you can massage for just 30 seconds before bed to build leg strength while you sleep. This ancient technique has been clinically proven to increase muscle activation by 34% without any exercise. I can only share this with my subscribers first, so if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now.